Hey everyone, Billy Darr here, and welcome to this video. Okay, now this video is slightly different, and in this particular video, I want to show you the last 60 days of revenue and sales that I've been able to generate in my business. Okay, now the reason why I want to show you this is because I want to inspire you, I want to motivate you, and I want to show you that it really is possible to make money online when you think of it as a business. Okay, so what we're going to do is you can see we're already at logged into one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and what I would like to do is I want to show you, um, the last 60 days through various different accounts of mine. Okay, so let's get started. But before we do, if you want me to basically help you generate an income online with affiliate marketing, with list building, and you want me to help you get anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month, then all you need to do is click on the button underneath this video, go ahead and book a call with myself. We'll jump on a friendly call. We'll discuss your goals. We'll discuss, what types of issues you're having, and if that's something I can help you with, we'll work together, and we'll help you start generating an income on the internet. Okay, so here we are in one of my Warrior Plus accounts. So we're going to do the last 60 days here. So from the 1st of September till the 31st of October, click on go. And let's start doing the calculations. Okay, so you can see in this particular account, while it just loads up, you can see we were able to generate $12,741.62. Okay, then we were also running promotions through a JVZoo account of mine. Okay, so we'll show you the last 60 days in JVZoo as well. And we'll hit refresh. Same dates, September the 1st till October the 31st. And we'll get the calculator out again. And we'll do plus $9,540.94. Okay, so that brings the total to $22,282.56. But I haven't quite finished just yet. Okay, so we also run we also sell products rather through Infusionsoft or Keep as another merchant processor. So from the 9th of September till the 31st of October, you can see we've done about, that's in pounds, so in dollars it will be about $20,000. So we'll just add on $20,000 onto this, okay, which brings the total to $42,282.56, and this is all in the last 60 days, guys. Okay, now we also sell some expensive products as well. So here in my Gmail account, okay, over the last over the last 30 days or so, I've been able to generate around, you can see here, it starts from October the 5th till October the 31st. You can see I've been able to generate, if we add that all up, it comes to around $10,500. So I'll just plus $10,500 onto that. So that's $52,782.56. But I'm not done just yet. Okay, so we have some other accounts as well. So we'll just we'll switch over to private browser, and we'll go to another JVZoo account. So we'll select the dates. I've already selected it here. We'll hit refresh, and you can see within the same period, the 1st of September till the 31st of October. So let me just, okay, so it's just loading up the data. So you can see 1st of September 2019 till the 31st of October 2019, we've been able to do $101,392.41. Okay, so we'll just add that on. So that's 101,392.41. So that's $154,000. But we've also got another Warrior Plus account. Okay, so I'll just switch over to that, and you can see we've already loaded up the data here. So it's the 1st of September to the 31st of October. And that's another $85,665.11. So let's just add that on here. $85,665.11. Okay, so that brings the total to around just under $240,000, guys, in about 61 days. Okay, now if you want me to help you build an internet business that generates anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month, then all you need to do is click on the link under this video, go and book a call with myself. These are limited because obviously this video is going to be seen by thousands of people. It's going to go onto my YouTube channel. It's going to go onto my fan page. Obviously, it's going to be broadcasted to my list of about 75,000 subscribers. So all you need to do is click on the button, book a call. We'll have a conversation, and we'll work out whether we can actually work together in some capacity, and whether I can coach you or mentor you and help you start generating results. Now, I'm not promising you that you're going to start generating $240,000 in 60 days, but what I am saying is that we can work together. If you're a good fit, of course, and if you're accepted into the program, we can work together, and we can actually start getting you going. We can help you set the foundations. We can teach you what needs to be done when it comes to affiliate marketing, when it comes to email marketing, when it comes to list building, when it comes to traffic generation, when it comes to both organic traffic and even paid traffic strategies. We can talk about it. So go ahead, guys. Now, this was all done from the methods I just mentioned: affiliate marketing, sales funnels, creating and selling my own products, as well as, like I said, affiliate marketing, which is selling other people's products. Okay, so if you want me to help you, then go ahead, click on the link below, schedule a call with myself, and yeah, I look forward to helping you. I look forward to speaking with you, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye bye.